Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paige. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and everything else that you do. I love it. I chuffing love it. This week's video is not actually for my subscribers. This week's video is going to be for anyone that's going through having a nose job or rhinoplasty or having any sort of cosmetic surgery in general. I've told people on the channel that I've had procedures done anyway, so I've done a video about it because I've had my lips, my nose and my boobs done. My lips obviously wore off. Look at them, they're tiny, but I'm okay with it. That's absolutely fine by me. The boobs I had done when I was about 19, 20, so that was about 6-7 years ago now. I had my nose done. I had it first done in 2017, then I had it done in 2018 again, and now I'm having it done in 2020. And there's a reason for that, because I had it done the first time and I liked the results, but then slowly but surely it turned into, I had a lump form towards the end, so I had to have revision on it a year later to get rid of that lump again. And also my nostrils were very uneven, but that was what I had before. It wasn't from the surgery the first time. I'm having it done again purely because I feel like there's a lump that's formed again. Maybe they're not taking enough away. I don't even know. I chose to go with Maya, which is Make Yourself Amazing, and they look really good. So when you have the consultation, they're really eager for you to like get involved, pick a surgeon, pay your money basically. Like, they're really good at like enticing you into paying and just getting you excited about having surgery. They're not good at is the afterwards. So every time I need a post-op appointment, then I kind of have to chase it up. Whereas the first 6 weeks, obviously they book it in straight away with you. After you've had the surgery, 6 weeks later you have to go. After 3 months you kind of forgot about it, which is what I found. And I've had 3 lots done with them now. So my boobs, my nose done twice, and I'm going for the 3rd time. I'm having a different surgeon this time. So the past 2 times I've had my nose done was Dr Frati, and this time I now go with Dr Sleiter, who I've never had before. I'm trying to give you guys like the most information I can cram in. So basically you have to wait a year till the surgeon sees you if you want revision, and revision with Maya is free within 3 years. So if you have your nose done and you're not happy with it within those 3 years, and you get it done for free again. And now it's January 2020 and I'm really not happy with it. There's a specific angle that I absolutely despise about myself, and it's really hard for me to talk about because people look at you like you're crazy when you talk about things you don't like about yourself. But this is something that I see all the time. Like, I notice it all the time, and mine's that bad. I get so anxious when I'm in a restaurant, at work, with Casey, like my girlfriend. Like, I can't have her sitting this side of me. I don't even like driving because I know that person in the passenger seat, when we're engaging in conversation, they're looking at me from this angle, because the whole journey I'm thinking they're looking at how ugly I am. So I'm really not happy with the results, and I don't know if it's anything to do with the surgeon or what, or maybe just the way I heal. Hopefully they'll give me the little ski slope that I want, because this is what I look like at the moment, which you might not think's bad, but if I've paid a lot of money to look good and feel good, then I'm going to get it done again. This is my worst side. Like, I absolutely hate it, and you'll probably never see this. In terms of having your nose done, it doesn't hurt. You need about a week off work, 10 days. That's purely because you've got a cast on for the first week. The hardest thing about having rhinoplasty is the week after, when you've got the cast on. You can't go out, your hair's getting greasy, you can't wear makeup, you can't exercise, you can't do anything, you can't sleep because you have to sleep upright. It's awful because you don't sleep, and also you don't know what the final look is going to look like, so you're just kind of hoping that it looks alright. You're covered in blood that you can't really clean, and your eyes are all bruised and swollen. It's really shiny. Also, when you first have your nose done and they need to take the packing out, it feels like someone is pulling what I can only describe as a drain out from your brain, and it's coming out through your nose. It's absolutely awful, and I don't want to put anyone off. I'm just preparing you. It's vile. It's not very nice. More often than not, your cast sits really pressured onto your nose, so you have tape that pushes your nose up, so it looks really piggy. So you think, oh my god, the surgeon's done me a big piggy nose, but he hasn't. He's just got to keep it in place. I didn't see anyone that had my surgeon online, so I'm going to ask the surgeon to work from this side and do his magic. I feel like death. My throat hurts. It's dry as fuck. Obviously can't breathe through my nose. They made me get naked, like they made me have no clothes on. I'm pretty sure they had a peek. I don't blame them. I don't blame them. I feel sick.
Like the morphine's making me feel really nauseous. Usually I'm fine, and I always cry after coming around.
So yeah, I'm currently on day 3. So I had the surgery done on Thursday, it's now Saturday. And you know what? It's actually not that bad. I'm so nasally, it's ridiculous. The sleeping's really bad because I've got such a dry mouth because I can't breathe through my nose. Other than that, the pain is fine. They give you painkillers and antibiotics and stuff. So yeah, I went in, I saw Dr Sleiter because I had a bit of a curve. He said that he'd straighten it and then flatten it. I've got 2 cuts either side of my nose. I don't know what they are, but the nurse said it's normal. God knows what it is. But I've got this packaging on because I keep bleeding still, which is relatively normal. Yeah, bruising's not too bad really. And the swelling isn't too bad really either. But yeah, I'm on day 4. Not much to say really. I feel absolutely fine apart from dry mouth when I'm sleeping. And always having like a constant cold, but that's what it feels like. I've come off my painkillers because I don't need them anymore. It's not really that painful. It is for the first few days, but that's about it. I can't smile yet, but that's about it. I haven't moved my forehead in a good week almost, and honestly I think it's doing wonders for like wrinkles and stuff. I haven't moved this, look. There's as much as I can do. Yeah, but literally my lips are so pale, and so dry, but still. Every night you're meant to sleep upright, so I start off like quite upright and then slowly but surely I wake up in the morning and I'm like... I thought I was going to like vlog each day, but there's no point because there's not really much update. The painkillers I was taking was like codridamol or codidamol, and they block you up, so I don't like that. I don't like taking painkillers anyway, so I've stopped. I've like come off them. Yeah, I just thought I'd do a really quick video so you could see what I look like, and I thought I'd leave my nostrils exposed so you can see the horrors about it. I think if I've got any advice, when you have rhinoplasty, don't like obsess with what you look like at the moment because you genuinely will lose your head about it. This isn't the final product and you've got to remember that, but it's really hard to, because when you're just bored all day and you've got nothing to do, then obviously you're going to have a little peek at your nose and have a look at your nostrils, but it's probably the worst thing to do because this isn't what it looks like, and it looks all bloody, it's dry, it's awful. Desperate for a drink. I cannot even tell you. I don't even smoke and I'm desperate to smoke as well. I might update tomorrow, but if not, I'll update on Thursday. So I've now had the cast off obviously, but I had it done, I had it off yesterday. So far I'm kind of pleased with the results, so I'll show you what it looks like from the side. This was my worst side, so I'm so much happier with this side now. I couldn't actually, like, I went round to my girlfriend's house last night and I was just talking to her parents and it was just so nice to not actually think about what I'm looking like from that angle. It was just so it's like a relief. It's like, it's pure elation that I don't actually have to have those thoughts at the moment. Like, I know it's still quite swollen and obviously I'm quite bruised still, but it is such an improvement already, and I actually can't wait till it's fully healed and I can go out and drink and smoke and everything. Not gonna lie. I'm literally 8 days post-op now. Yeah, happy with the results. This was my worst angle ever, and although I might not like it still, no, I'm going to change what I'm thinking. I like it now. Like, I like it now. Still can't move my face fully. I can't frown. And I can't move this bit either really because everything is so numb. The worst thing about it was getting the tape off yesterday. I have to physically force it here and then lift up the sides to get the tape, get the cast off. It feels like someone's ripping the nose skin off your face. It's vile, but yeah, all good. And here we have, my friends, the final product. Ta-da! Look at this shit. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I am now 2 weeks, right, what's the date? I had it done on the 16th, it's now the 2nd. 2 weeks? 3 weeks? 4? What? Still got a little bit of bruising, but so far I'm really pleased with the results. Like, this angle was my worst angle. I'm so bad, but now I can do that. I can look at people and not have to worry about those people that are looking at me from that angle. Anyone that really hates their nose will know exactly what I'm talking about. Everyone's got something that they're conscious of, and my nose was the biggest thing for me. It's weird, I actually have to kind of like, I keep touching it, I keep stroking it just to make sure that I'm not dreaming. Like, it's such a weight that's lifted. It sounds dramatic, but it's literally changed my life already completely. I feel so much more confident and comfortable in my own skin. I have to keep reassuring myself that I've had the nose job, it looks better now, and that it's all good, sort of thing. I still can't properly smile yet, but that will come in time. I don't even know whether you guys will be able to see a difference, but to myself it's huge, and my girlfriend definitely can see a change in me as well, which is so nice to hear. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a really quick video to summarise the whole thing. It's actually been really easy this time around. It's so much more easier than the second one. The second one, I don't know what the surgeon was doing, but he did nothing to my nose. Just warning though, if you do have a nose job, a little bit after you've had the cast off, you start to get this smell inside your nose, and it's kind of like healing flesh. It's weird, but I kind of like the smell, even though it's not very nice. It's really weird. Gross. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you liked it, then subscribe, like or comment it. I don't mind. Do whatever you want. It's your life. God, I'm sassy now I have this new nose. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Go watch another video here and subscribe here. Goodbye.
Happy birthday, Miranda, from the Shard in London. Missing you, loving your face.